अरे घूरना बंद करो, पहले सब्सक्राइब करो।
Exercise 46. Have you ever noticed what useful lessons you may receive through a shrewd look at the faces of the people you come across in traveling? Question mark. You will see in them humor and gloom, semicolon, generosity and miserable stinginess, semicolon, pluck and nervous fear, semicolon, wisdom and simplicity, full stop. You will notice the drinker and the abstainer, semicolon, the hopeful and the fearful, semicolon, the clever talker and the bore, semicolon, the flighty and the modest, semicolon, the pilferer and the honest fellow, semicolon, the loafer and the worker, full stop. 5 minutes in a tramway car may offer us many lessons if we care to take them, full stop. Exercise 49. From what I know of Cedric Spring, he has no claims to supreme cleverness, full stop. It would be safer to describe him as a spruce young fellow, comma, with a very strong belief in himself, full stop. He is, comma, possibly, comma, a bit masterful in his manner, semicolon, but he is the more likely to succeed because of his liking for work, full stop. Nor do I think he is in any extreme sense a pleasure seeker, full stop. Far from it, full stop. I am sure there is no more honorable fellow in the city, comma, and it will surprise me if he fails to make a name for himself, full stop. As he lives near me, comma, I travel with him several days a week, and I must say he has a plausible tongue, comma, which should assist him in his business, full stop.